Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 95 Big Bubble by Nike in the neon Paisley bandana colorway. These were released on the 12th of March 2026 for the retail price of £180 here in the UK, and it comes in an all black Nike box. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper. No extra accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Neon Air Max 95 is the most retroed, reissued, reworked Nike colorway, and just a week after re-releasing the OG Neon Air Max 95, Nike are back with this neon-inspired multicolored Paisley bandana colorway, featuring robust feeling canvas overlay stripes in black, blue, green, and red paisley, with neon hits on the tongue, eyelets, lateral heel, swoosh, and insoles. The toe has this technical ballistic nylon material, and all of this sits on a classic black sole with neon green internal air bubbles. This shoe has a real premium feel to it in hand, and the colours really pop. On feet I went up half a size. I like the extra space on my 95s, especially when they use non-OG style uppers. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment bandana to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.